A Verona mother and daycare provider is headed to prison for her role in the death of an infant that was in her care nearly 2 years ago. News 3's Marc Lovicott joining us live from the News Center with more on the sentencing of Jennifer Hancock. Mark?
Well, Mark, it was an emotional sentencing. Hancock was convicted by a jury in April for killing 4-month-old Lincoln Wilber. The infant suffered severe head trauma and a broken leg and did not survive. In court today, Lincoln's mother told the judge she'll likely never get over her son's death.
I've thought about what I would say every day since Lincoln died.
Struggling to get through her words, ERIN Wilber explained how difficult it was to take her 4-month-old son, Lincoln, off life support.
I didn't know how I was ever going to be able to let Lincoln go. He had his entire life ahead of him. I had a lifetime of hugs and kisses to give to him. I didn't want to live my life without Lincoln, but I knew it wasn't fair to allow him to lay there with a breathing tube down his throat and a tube in his head.
Lincoln was such a blessing to our lives, and you, Jennifer Hancock, took that away. We will forever carry the ache of missing him, and that will never change. The day of Lincoln's first Christmas, he was laid to rest. The week of Lincoln's first birthday, he received a headstone.
Why did you hurt Lincoln and make him suffer? Was it because he cried? All children cry, and you of all people being a mother should know that children cry.
Hancock stood still, but clearly full of emotion as Lincoln's family, one by one, shared their grief. Hancock supporters asked the judge for mercy.
I believe in Jennifer. I feel for the Wilbers, but I believe in Jennifer and I believe in her innocence. The death of Lincoln was a tragedy, but I now feel that a second tragedy is being created.
Dane County Judge David Flanagan handed down a 20-year sentence. Hancock will spend 13 of those years behind bars. At her turn to speak, Hancock addressed the Wilber family.
This is the first time in almost 2 years that I've been allowed to tell you how sorry I am for your loss. I wish that my family had the opportunity to mourn with you over the loss of Lincoln. I don't know why Lincoln died. I wish I could provide the answers. I hope and pray that as each day goes by, your hearts will heal and you can remember all the happy times that you had together.
Despite her jury conviction in April, Hancock remains that she is innocent. She will be 50 years old by the time she's eligible for release from prison, but she told the court today she plans to appeal.
Marc Lovicott in our News Center. Thank you.